I've never seen a bug do anything like it was it was sitting upside down in this steel toe cap that I have, and I used this screwdriver to flip it over because, like, that's that'd just be an awful way to fucking die. And now it will not leave the screwdriver alone. It will follow it around. Like, when I first saved it before I started recording, because I had no idea this was gonna happen at all, it was sitting more like right here, and it ran out up onto this, and then it came back, and it like started fucking with it, and then it ran back this way, and then it ran back, and then I moved it, and it literally, as I was moving, it was following, like, it was trying to keep pace. It was actively tracking it, and it won't go very far away from it at all. Like, maybe now it's... Oh. I have no idea what kind of bug it is. I hope it's not anything gross. But we get all sorts of weird ones out here in the country. It's got some really long antennae. This is a curious little bug. I think I'm going to be letting him go outside because that was a really cool moment. Like, I wonder what happens when I... Now let's see what it does when I use something different that's also shiny, like one of these Allen wrenches. I know these are really short and I don't want to crawl in on me, I'm not even gonna lie. Is there the same kind of reaction? Or does it recognize that it's different? It didn't crawl on it. It walked towards it, but it's not crawling on it. Now it's crawling towards the phone. This is so wild. Like, I'm high as fuck right now, so I'm probably just super baked and fucking having, one of those moments, but like, this thing, like, it was showing appreciation. It, like, keeps flipping itself over onto its back. Is it trying to do that? I don't think so. I imagine it bending its fucking... Its back legs are broken, it looks like. Alright, so here's the brush. Alright, nothing. But oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god, that is fucking crazy. I don't know, man. Like, that's fucking wild. Okay, nope, 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 nope. I'm getting too close. It's not that kind of relationship, man. No, please stop crawling towards me. It's coming back towards me now. Kind of. Okay, maybe not. I've probably done a really shit job of recording this video, and I apologize for that. I've really not been thinking about camera angle. Even as I'm apologizing for it, I'm still not paying attention.